Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix a flat tire using a tire plug kit. We take the jack and lift the car until the wheel remains suspended. We introduce air into the tire to make it a little hard, and we start looking for the nail in the tire. After you find it, you can remove it with a screwdriver or pliers. This is the repair kit. Tubeless tire repair kit. You can find this product below in the description. From this set, we take the reamer and insert it into the hole that was created by the screw and perform a few movements inside and out, to smooth it, remove dust and debris from the hole. Don't forget, like and subscribe. The next step is to take one of the strips from the kit. One end of the strip is inserted into the front hole of the pin tool, so that the lengths of the strips at both ends of the hole are practically the same. Insert the pin with the strip into the tire along the hole. Make sure the strip is inserted 3/4 length, and rotate the pin 360 degrees. Pull out the pin afterwards. The next step is to inflate the tire with air to the correct pressure. This pressure varies between 30 and 35 psi. The tire pressure specific to your vehicle is printed on a label. This label can be positioned on the edge of the door, on the side of the door, or in the glove box. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.